I'm Jake with Squeaky Detail, and we provide mobile detailing for much of the Indianapolis area. We've been in the industry for 8 years between the two owners. We found our niche where we wanted to bring something new to the table, so 2 years ago we started Squeaky Detail. Pretty busy day today. We have a few clients to meet with. We'll be doing a few trucks, a car, but every day is different, ranging from interiors to exteriors, washing to waxing to shampooing carpets. Some of the biggest jobs include detailing whole fleets of semi-trailers, dealerships, where we're tackling upwards of 20 cars, where we have to take vans full of equipment, ranging from water tanks to generators to pressure washers, bins of chemicals. Typically, our load can weigh upwards of 2,000 pounds with the generators, the water tanks, the shampooing machine, power washer. And we've been running Timbren for about a year now. SES products really help eliminate the sag on the big jobs. It really ensures that my vehicle is going to be able to handle the load safely. The kit only takes 30 minutes to install, and it just bolts right on. SES kits feel safe, firm, and it really gives us the confidence to be able to handle more. With the added weight in the vans, it's helped the handling with that sway and roll feel and really stabilized our ride. These kits have been virtually maintenance-free for us. We're really excited about our future. There's so much room to grow. We're looking to get more vans, expand our area and grow our team. We're looking to take on bigger jobs with more equipment and pushing Timbren suspension to the limit.